Hi everyone, this is Ria and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to organize a little bit here at home. Kasi nandito lang kami sa house, classes are still online and hindi rin kami ganong lumalabas. And I just want to make my days a bit productive. So behind me is our super duper tiny pantry. And ito muna yung i-organize ko. But before that, you have to come along with me kasi I need to buy some simple materials that I'm going to use for my pantry. So, let's go! Hi, my name is Ria. My channel is about places to visit here in Doha, our family travel adventure, my recipe, and a little bit of my home organizing ideas.
One eternity later.
So, bali, ito lahat yung nabili kong mga boxes. And I have to wash them first before I will use them. So, bali, ganito siya. Dalawa yung binili ko. Bali, ang mangyayari, lalagyan ko siya ng mga dilata sa taas and then sa baba. Bali, ganyan ang magiging itsura. And I will show you once I'm done.
A few moments later.
First, tatanggalin ko muna sila lahat. And for me, it's better talaga na ma-organize yung pantry. Kagaya nito, someone gave this to us before, but ngayon ko lang siya nakita and it's already expired noong 2021. This one will goes in the garbage. Expired. So, eto, empty na yung unang shelves niya. And, kailangan ko muna siyang linisin. And here, this is coming from the third shelves. And, they are all pastas. And, mahilig kasi kami sa pasta. But, I bought them yung mga gluten-free. Ayan siya, mga gluten-free. And here, too. Even the baking powder or baking flour, it's also gluten-free. So, bali to, yung mga pasta, I will transfer them sa mga boxes. In here, mapapansin nyo, I have a lot of tea. I have green tea, berries tea, fruity, and sa likod, ginger tea. Ubus na siya, vanilla, and some Earl Grey tea. Mahilig talaga kami sa tea. Kaya, ayan. And, iba pa yung tea dito sa labas. Ayan siya. We have the green tea with mint. And, ito naman yung green tea with peach. Ayan.
The next day.